Here's the difference between a diligent reporter and a regular reporter. A regular reporter would just say, Shaquille O'Neal is a bad free throw shooter. But a diligent reporter would say, Shaquille O'Neal shoots only 58% from free throw line. Ah, di ba? So may backup ka. You cannot just say na,
May data.
yes, may data ka. Ako, one time
Okay.
when I was writing in NBA Philippines, okay? Uh, when I wrote for NBA Philippines, sinita ako ng NBA mismo, ng liga. Kasi
Bakit?
NBA Philippines at that time was a franchise owned by Philippine Star and I work as US editor. Pero ang mothership pa rin namin ng NBA. So may
Oo.
linya ako ginamit doon. Alam mo ba yung si Tony Parker, remember?
Yeah.
Si Tony Parker, he used to like floaters, di ba? Floaters, ganun.
Mm,
So when I wrote a column, I said, Tony Parker sank floaters like the Titanic. So obviously it was a metaphor, a play for words. Nagalit yung
yes.
NBA. Inimailan ako, tinanggal ang column. Sabi, why did you use Titanic as a reference? I said it was a figure of speech. Kasi sabi ng NBA at that time na insensitive daw ako dahil ganito, marami daw namatay
Bal
sa ano.
baliktad Pero
Yeah, I know.